We have Nyang Aidim from Lamka Ultimate Mixed Martial Arts and Fitness Club. Nyang Aidim from Lamka. She is 52 kgs and she is the champion of Earth Fighting 2022. And she is also a Chinaba winner 2022 and she has a record of 2 wins, 3 losses and 0 draw. And she will be fighting against Priyanka from Imphal. And she was also a record holder of Shanghai Muay Thai Silver Medalist 2022. And she is 52 kgs category.
Lamka Hopi Ninga Lama Akhat Pina Ding Lamka Ultimate Fight Night Kisom Pen Kha Jing Chiang Ang Tung Di Ta Hi Na A Kwa Pe Ma Ya Lung Lut Le Ngai Na Te Kha Ananga Event Ding Na Ikingen Masape Na Hi Yai Ding To Kisai Na Ticket Juang Na Kha Tu Na Full Swing Ina Paya Kwa Pe Ma Ilung Lut Chi Thea Kipa Huai Mama Media Tung Tonin Kipa Thu Kon Gen Hian La Tu Ni Na Yai Ding To Kisai Na Player Mun Tuam Le Lamka Om Te Ma Leng Ki Man Diam Ta Yai fight ding na fighter ki mol mi kha mi som ni le ni hidinga numei kha match ni om dinga numei kha fighter ni li auma wai cha pasal to numei to hi cha kha academy suak ai ki le title nei sa te bang nuam tak takang ki mol ding hi chi ki thei saka wai ja gina ko ape ma ten ticket bang le jing chang ale dak thuma pana amun ma leng lak thik ding wai ja gen alung lut athei khanai lo ai ki le manghil bang yom le leng ko ape kha jing chang ding hi chi ki thakai